Hello students, I am Assistant Professor J. N. Moite, Department of Agricultural Botany. In this lecture number 6 and 7, we are going to see about Patent Act 1970 in detail. Patent Act 1970. The Patents Act 1970 is the landmark in the industrial development of India. The basic philosophy of the Act is that patents are granted to encourage inventions and to ensure that these inventions are worked on a commercial scale without undue delay. There are some amendments made in the Act in 2002 and 2003. Then we will see salient features of patent law. Then first one is both product and process patent provided. The law permit to patent any invention that is new, useful to the society, has commercial application and inventive step. The patent is granted for product as well as process. A mere admixture method of agriculture or horticulture and plants and animals cannot be patented under this act. The second feature is requirement for application. An application for patent should contain complete description of the invention. Then third feature is examination on request. After filing the application for a patent, a request for examination is essential to be made for examination of the application by the Indian Patent Office. Then fourth feature is both pre-grant and post-grant opposition. The patent can be opposed by any person within 6 months from the publication of the patent application. This is known as pre-grant opposition. The invention can be challenged even after it gets patent, but the opposition should come within 12 months from the publication of the grant of the patent. Then fifth feature is term of patent. The term of patent in every category in India is 20 years from the date of filing the patent application. Then next feature is renewal fee. The patentee has to pay renewal fee to keep the patent alive. Then next feature is patent of biological material. If the invention uses a biological material which is new, it is essential to deposit the same in the International Depository Authority before filing of the application in India. Then next feature is compulsory licensing. The act also ensures that patentee doesn't misuse his rights and also that patent do not prevent the protection of public health and nutrition by the way of compulsory licensing. And this is all about salient features of patent law. Then patent system in India. The patent system in India, there are some branch given and area covered by this branch. The main head office of patent system in India is situated at Kolkata. Then what are the conditions to be satisfied by an invention to be patentable, or what can be patented? The invention should be novel, that is novelty, then inventiveness or non-obviousness, and third one is industrial application and usefulness, that is utility. These are the conditions to be satisfied by the invention to be patentable. Then process and product patent. First one is process patent. When a substance is invented or produced, patent is not granted to substance itself, but it is only the method or the process of manufacture of substance that is granted a patent. Then second one is product patent. Patent is granted not to the method or the process of manufacture of substance but to the substance itself. This is about process and product patent. Then filing of patent. There are two major ways of filing of patent. First one is physical filing at the patent office, which is situated at Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, New Delhi. And second one is e-filing or online filing. The website given for e-filing is ipindiaonline.gov.in. Then general procedure for obtaining a patent: filing a patent application, publication after 18 months, pre-grant opposition, request for examination, grant or refusal, then publication of grant of patent, then post-grant opposition to grant of patent, and decision by controller. It is general procedure for obtaining a patent. Then patent specification. There are two types of patent specification. First one is a provisional specification. The inventor should disclose general aspects of invention in provisional specification. It gives little description about invention. Provisional specification. And complete specification. It should be filed within 12 months. The complete specification is a techno-legal document which fully and particularly describe the invention. Means all about the patent is described in the complete specification. Then content of complete specification. First, title of invention, then field of invention, background of invention, then complete description of the invention, drawings if required, and sixth one is claims. These are the contents of complete specification. Then patent claim. Most important part of patent specification, that is patent claim. It defines the boundary of a patent. It clearly lays down what the patent does and does not cover. A claim is usually expressed as a statement of technical facts expressed in legal terms defining the scope of the invention sought to be protected. Claims may be as many in numbers, and there are some features of claims given below. There are two types of claim. First claim is a principal claim and subsequent claims called subordinate claim. Principal claim should define all essential novel features of the invention, and optional features may be claimed in subordinate claims. Then patent opposition and revocation. Patent opposition. Opposition to the grant of patent signifies the first instance at which a challenge can be made to the grant of patent. The Indian Patent Office also provides a period during which third parties may oppose to the grant of patent. Opposition proceeding may be pre-grant, post-grant, and may be initiated within specified time limits. And there are some authorities for invoking opposition. That is Patent Office, Intellectual Property Appellate Board, and High Court. The pre-grant opposition. There are two types of opposition. First one is pre-grant opposition. The opposition after publication but before the grant of patent by any person is known as a pre-grant opposition, and it may be filed within 6 months from the date of publication of the application. And there is no fee for the pre-grant opposition. Then second one is a post-grant opposition. After grant of patent, any interested person based on different grounds may file a post-grant opposition in Form 7 to the controller against the grant of patent. And the time limit for post-grant opposition is within 1 year after the grant of patent. And there is a fee for individual 2,400, and for a small entity it is 6,000. There are some grounds for opposition of patent as per section 25 of the Patent Act. Then if application wrongly obtained the invention, publication before priority date of patent application, prior claiming, invention publicly known, obvious, then no invention as per the Patent Act, invention not described clearly and sufficiently, then convention application not filed within 12 months. Such are the grounds or causes for opposition of patent as per section 25. And this is all about Patent Act 1970. Thank you.